Hi everyone, this is the 126th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from the concept of principal square root. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, for all real number x, square root of x squared is equal to which of the following four options, or if none of those are suitable, then we can select option K also, right? So we have been given four possible values here, but if none of them are good, then we can also select option K. Now when we are given a number like this, square root of x squared, then whether x is a positive or negative number, inside the square root we have a positive number, right? Say for example, if x is equal to positive 5, then x squared would be 25, and similarly if x is equal to negative 5, then also x squared will be equal to positive 25. So no matter whether x is a positive or negative number, inside the square root we have a non-negative number, meaning it can be 0 or any positive number, right, inside the square root. So now when we are given a number like this, we have to always assume that we have to find out the principal square root of such numbers, and principal square root means we have to find out the positive value of this square root. We should not write it as plus or minus x. We should always provide a value where the value would be positive. So essentially this should be a positive value. Alright, if this has to be a positive value, then can we simply say, well, then square root of x squared is equal to x? Actually, we cannot simply say it like this because we don't know whether x is positive or negative. So now what can we do then? Well, to guarantee that this value, the square root of x squared value, will be a positive value, we can definitely use the modulus function. So we can say square root of x squared is actually the absolute value of x, or the modulus of x. And that is our answer. I have already created a separate video on this topic. I have provided the link in the description. Feel free to watch that video. But in this particular question, the answer will be absolute value of x, or modulus of x. And if you look at our answer options, we have modulus of x under option J, so option J would be the correct option. Now in this question, if it had been mentioned that x is a positive real number, then we could have answered it as positive x. We really would not need to use the modulus function when x is a positive real number. But in this particular question, we really don't know whether x is positive or negative. We have been simply told that x is a real number. We really don't know whether it's a positive real number or negative real number, right? So when we don't know whether x is positive or negative, we must use the absolute value function to guarantee that the value of square root of x squared is always a positive number. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.